All right. Now we will, if everybody's ready, we will start with the Red Rhino Fireworks demo. Now we're going to move into the 200 gram cakes. This is a larger 200 gram, 8-to-1 Little Nemo, all fish. Very popular cake. That was Little Nemo. Next item is going to be Monkey Business. This is a Red Rhino label. Monkey Business. Case pack 12. That was Monkey Business, 10 shot, 200 gram. Next item is going to be 12-1, 18 shot, Nude Beach. Okay, it's a turtle on the label without its shell. Nice comments. Okay, the next item is going to be our baby reveal. This cake comes 4 of each of the pink and blue cakes, but they have the same labeling, but there's a removable pull on the cake. So we don't have to risk losing any of the warnings by trying to strip the labels off for the customer. So there's a surprise. But these are the baby reveal. These are about 300 gram cakes. There's the baby reveal for the boy. Nice blues. All right, now we're going to move into the 500 gram cakes. These are a new line that came out with this year. This is a people 9 shot, very low cost. The Firearm series rifle.
Rifle.
Okay, the next one in the Firearm series we'll shoot tonight is the shotgun. 419. What? These are great low-cost cakes. For around 50 cents a piece. Wholesale. Okay, now we're moving into the Roadshow number 10. Has a nice metallic label on it. Next item is Skyshooter. This is a 15 shot, 6-to-1 Skyshooter. That was Skyshooter. Next item is a long-running cake, 50 shot Pyro World. Case pack 4-to-1. Pyro World. I need a lot of burn time on that. Next item is going to be Patriot Arms, 25 shot 4-1 Patriot Arms. That was Patriot Arms. Next item is going to be a 4-1 12 shot. This is Pyro Gal. That's for my wife, my Pyro Gal. Her favorite effect is crackle. Type is Case Pack 4-1 Cherry Drop. This is Red Rhino Red, long time tradition. Red Rhino. That was Cherry Drop. Next item is 2-1 145 shot Fire Over Water. Beautiful bright colors. There we go, Fire Over Water. Next item is 30 shot 4-1 Ravaged. Great finale style cake there. Okay, now we're going to move on to roping. Case Pack 4-1 9 shot roping. All right, that was roping. Long-time classic, long-time favorite. Okay, next item is 3-inch 2-1 Atomizer 9 shot. Another long-standing Red Rhino item. That was Atomizer. Now we're at 12 shells of Apocalypse. We're going to shoot 6 solid color ones and 6 multicolor ones. This is a 60-gram neon effect canister shell kit. Now we're going to shoot 6 of the multicolored shells that are in the 24-shot kit. Apocalypse. We wanted you to see the individual colors alone. Now you see a mix. Thank you very much from Red Rhino. Thanks for coming to the NFA Expo. And we'll be around, stop by our booth, talk to myself and my folks, and have a great night, everybody. Thank you, Andover.
Thank you, Rick. Up next is cutting